want to start a business and you stumbled upon the remote home service model, but you don't really know where to start, we're actually going to do an in-depth series talking about how to start one, how to get customers, how to find cleaners, and how to start making that bread. My name's Sergio. Me and Johnny actually have a few home service companies doing over 7 figures a year, and we also have the Remote Home Service Academy where we teach people how to do the same thing. So now let's get into it. What is a remote home service business and how do you do it? So what that means is we run our business completely remote, so we're not actually the ones doing the house cleaning, doing the window cleaning, doing the junk removal. We hire people to do that for us. So we find the jobs, we schedule them, we do the customer service, we do the bidding, and then we hand the job off to a contractor that does that job. So they just have to show up and actually do the work. After the job's done, we do the invoicing, we do customer relations, and we try our best to retain those customers. So all of this is done through leveraging, software like a CRM, where it sends automated emails, text messages, and helps us manage the customers easily. So the way that we're making money is we charge a certain price, then give the contractor 50 to 60% of the job for doing the work, and then the rest of that actually goes to us, and then we can use that to put into marketing, our software, and then the rest is profit. So how can you get started today and start making money this month? Step 1, what business are you gonna do and where are you gonna do it? So cleaning, house clean is a really good one to do. We also have a window cleaning business that runs the same model. The reason that this works so well is because there's a ton of cleaners that you can pick from, and the business is great because it's a recurring business where you can have someone every 2 weeks, once a month. So I would recommend house cleaning. Now, where to do it? You want to have somewhere that has a pretty decent sized population, at least 100,000. If you have 100,000 people in a certain city or metro, that means there's definitely enough demand for house cleaning, and you can find enough cleaners to fulfill for the demand. Once you have it sorted out, get your name and your logo done. We use Fiverr. That's just the easiest route to do, and you can get a logo for $10, $20. After that, you're gonna need to get your business stuff in order. So you're gonna file for an LLC, you're gonna get a DBA, and then you're gonna get business insurance to get yourself covered. After you have all that done, then it's time to move on to your CRM. So what your CRM is gonna do is it's gonna help you run your business. It's gonna be like an admin that you don't have to pay $1,500, $2,000 for, because the CRM is literally gonna help you put people in the schedule, have all the customer information there, send automated emails, automated text. I'm telling you guys, getting this from day one is gonna be a game changer, so I 1000% recommend this. So once you have your CRM set in place, you can get a payment processor to start taking in payments. After you have all of those things done, and it really doesn't take that long to get all of those things done, you can start finding jobs, you can start finding cleaners, and then you can start making money. So now that you have all those things done, one thing you're really gonna need before you start getting jobs is your pricing. You need to have your pricing down. And it doesn't have to be perfect because you can iterate, but you need to know what the general price for your services is in that area. So the best way to do this is to call around, get some quotes. Some people even have online pricing, and that way you can see around what people are charging and you can start from there. You don't want to be the cheapest person, and you probably don't want to be the most expensive because you don't have the reputation yet. So it's okay to be in the middle or maybe even a little bit above that. And now the last thing you can do before you can start getting customers is start setting up your online presence. So that means getting your website set up, getting your Google My Business up, and just different places where you can showcase your business, where people can leave reviews for you, and you can start growing their reputation. In the next video, we're going to be talking about how to get customers and how to start building up your book of business. So if you do want to start winning this business, or you want to learn more, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that bell so you get notified when that next video comes out, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.